Hello viewers, many people are actually asking me why there is no sale on iPad 10th generation this year. The answer is that iPad 11th generation has been launched this year. If iPad 10th generation is in sale, many people will buy this iPad rather than iPad 11 because the best price of iPad 10th generation would be 20 to 22,000 rupees, but they are selling iPad 11th generation at a price point of 29,000 rupees. And now I can see that they are selling iPad 9th generation with 4G at a price point of 22,000 rupees. I will not recommend iPad 9th generation in 2025 because the design, as you can see, is very old and it will not get more updates as iPad 10th generation or iPad 11th generation will get. Also, there is not great offer on Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE or S10 FE Plus, so many people are asking me whether they should wait for Diwali sale or not. In Diwali sale also there is little hope that you will get great offers on these two devices, but you can wait. At least you will get better discount than this Big Billion Days sale. If you are planning to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, in that case you can buy this tablet right now at flipkart.com at a price point of 25,000 rupees for the Wi-Fi variant. In last year's Big Billion Days sale, this tablet was sold at a price point of 20 to 22,000 rupees, but this year it is selling at 25,000 rupees, so I think the price is little bit on the higher side. But if you consider closely, this is a very good tablet to consider. With the use of S Pen, you can do a lot of productive tasks on this tablet. So if you are a student who wants to take notes and who wants to consume multimedia contents on a bigger screen, then you can definitely buy Tab S9 FE Plus. Similarly, if you have a tight budget of 10 to 15,000 rupees, in that case you can consider either Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus or Oneplus Pad Lite. Both of these two devices are very good. The battery backup on Oneplus Pad Lite is excellent. On the other hand, the display of Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus is better. If you want to use a tablet for longer periods of time and you want regular software updates and stable update, in that case you can consider Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. However, Oneplus Pad Lite is also a very good tablet to consider. If I had to choose between these two devices, I would have chosen Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus for better multimedia consumption. If your budget is under 20,000 rupees, you can consider Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE. In this tablet, you will get S Pen and all the necessary features that is important for a student. Also, you can buy another tablet such as Redmi Pad Pro. Wi-Fi variant can be bought at a price point of 15,000 rupees, and if you want to go for the 5G variant, in that case you can consider this tablet at a price point of 19,500 rupees. You can also buy Xiaomi Pad 7, that is also a very good mid-range all-rounder tablet. So these are some of the tablets that you can buy right now, and if you want to buy iPad 10th generation, you have to wait for another sale. If you still have any questions in your mind, feel free to ask me in the comment sections below. I will try to answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.